Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of law enforcement with the brand new 2025 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, the latest addition to America's best-selling lineup of police vehicles. This beast is not just about power and performance, it's about keeping our officers safe, efficient, and ready for anything on the beat. Let's get into it. The 2025 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, or PIU, is here, and it's raising the bar for pursuit-rated vehicles across the country. With its standard hybrid powertrain, this vehicle isn't just fast, it's smart. Imagine saving up to 838 gallons of fuel per year, which translates to about $17,500 over 6 years. That's some serious budget relief for departments nationwide. But that's not all. Ford has packed the PIU with cutting-edge technology designed to keep officers safe. Let's talk about the Police Perimeter Alert System. This feature is like having a digital partner keeping an eye out for threats, automatically activating the rear camera, locking the doors, and even rolling up the windows when it senses danger. It's all about giving officers the upper hand in unpredictable situations. And for those moments when officers need to exit the vehicle quickly, the Police Engine Idle feature lets them lock up and take the keys while keeping all the onboard equipment powered. This is crucial when seconds count. Safety doesn't stop there. The 2025 PIU comes with available ballistic panels that can protect against .30 caliber armor-piercing rifle ammunition. Plus, advanced driver assist technologies like automatic emergency braking and reverse brake assist come standard, providing peace of mind during high-speed pursuits or navigating tight spots. Ford knows that every department has different needs, which is why the PIU offers 3 powertrain options: a 3.3-liter V6 with a hybrid system, a 3.3-liter V6 gas engine, and the powerhouse 3.0-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, delivering a whopping 400 horsepower. Inside, Ford has really thought about the officer experience. The new standard 12.3-inch LCD digital instrument cluster gives a clear display during operation. Plus, with the manual police pursuit mode, officers can engage high-performance tuning with the touch of a button without ever taking their hands off the wheel. Ford has also introduced the Ford Pro Vehicle Integration System 2.0, making it easier to customize the PIU for specific department needs. And with over-the-air updates, the vehicle's tech can evolve, staying ahead of the curve. Check out these remappable switches on the steering wheel. They connect directly to the installed equipment, whether it's lights, sirens, or even a K9 door release, making everything easily accessible when it matters most. The 2025 Ford Police Interceptor Utility isn't just another vehicle. It's a fully integrated tool built to serve those who protect and serve. Assembled at the Chicago Assembly Plant, this vehicle is part of Ford's comprehensive law enforcement lineup, which includes the pursuit-rated F-150 police responder, Expedition Max SSV, and Transit Prisoner Transport Vehicle. Whether it's the impressive fuel savings, advanced safety features, or the sheer power under the hood, the 2025 Ford Police Interceptor Utility is setting new standards for law enforcement vehicles. If you're as excited about the future of police vehicles as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews. And drop a comment below, what's your favorite feature of the new PIU? Until next time, stay safe out there.